going on, YouTube fam? Thanks again for tuning in to my channel. So today's topic, I want to talk to y'all about my YouTube journey. Yeah, so it's been 30 days and I want to share with you my YouTube journey as a fellow YouTuber over 50. And so that's what today's topic is about. It's interesting. It's been a really good ride. Like, I've learned so much about recording and editing, and I've learned so much just about myself as well. And it's given me an opportunity, I think, to be a little bit more introspective. So I love that. I am Tammy, a two-time recovering business owner, and I love all things entrepreneurship, freelance, creatives, all of the good stuff. I love all the things business. For those of you who have been riding with me, thank you. Thank you so much for returning back to my channel. And today I just wanted to kind of reveal my own channel and kind of open it up. It's all a learning, and I am all about learning. I just want to kind of share with you where I am currently in my journey. And so I will definitely kind of peel back the layer on that. But before I do that, one of the first reasons I wanted to do this is I am always testing my limits. And so this was something that was very new to me. It's kind of a whole new way of me putting myself out there. And so I think that was my first why, is I wanted to challenge myself. And so I challenge you to push yourselves beyond your comfort level. Because as you get older, look, nobody's got time for the facade and trying to be somebody else and all of those things, right? Like, when you get of a certain age and you finally get in your groove and you're comfortable in your own skin, you start to take a little bit more risk, at least in terms of some of the personal engagements that you get into. And so that has been me. And I wanted to try this YouTube thing because I knew it was something that I would have never probably done when I was younger. And so that was one of my whys, is I wanted to keep pushing the envelope on my growth and my development because I love those things. I think the other thing is that I wanted to connect. I wanted to create a community of freelancers and creatives and solopreneurs and entrepreneurs and business owners and all of that stuff. And I thought that this would be the perfect way to do that. The other thing is I just wanted to see if I could, right? Like, I just want to be honest. Like, I wanted to see if I could do this and not kill myself in doing it. And so that was another reason. I was just like, you know what? Everybody else is out there starting channels. Why can't I start a channel? Of course you could start a channel, right? And so that was one reason for me to just kind of do it. And so I hope that that's an inspiration to you. Like, just don't overthink it. Start it and see where it takes you. I mean, it's all just experimentation anyway. I think sometimes we get so serious about YouTube, and I really don't think we should be. And so just learn from the journey, learn from the experience, engage with people, and you'll find that you'll begin to break through. And then another thing I wanted to do is, and I don't know if any of you guys can resonate with this at all, but I know that in my career, I have played small in the past. And that's a little bit of my transparency. But I wanted to play bigger. Like, I wanted to be in front of the camera. I wanted to reach out to you guys. I wanted to engage with you guys, and I don't want to hide. And this was the perfect forum for me to do that. Like, it is totally okay. And I think some of it too has just been the result of just getting older and having a little more wisdom and being comfortable with myself. And so I just thought to myself, you know, what do I have to lose? So why not? So I'm playing bigger in 2025, and don't make it too serious. So what have I learned in this journey? Well, I've learned a whole lot, y'all. I think one of the first takeaways that I can say about this YouTube journey is that there's so much more to learn, right? Like, this is the thing, and this is a thing, and you're gonna continue to learn. There are so many good YouTubers out there who are killing the game, and I love watching them. I love watching their style, and I love watching how they put their content together and how they package their messaging and how they engage with you guys. And I've just been eating it up, right? But then also, once I've learned it, I'd like to apply some of those very things to my channel. The other thing that I have learned in this journey so far is that engagement is the key. Like, one of the things that I've been doing a lot lately is engaging in the comments. So some of my favorite YouTubers, I go in and I engage with them. I talk to them. I share their videos and I make comments, right? I love the fact that you guys are engaging with me and I love to engage with you as well. And I've made just some really good connections just in engaging with people, which I think is actually kind of hilarious. But now I find that the more that I'm engaging on YouTube, the more people are engaging with me, obviously. But then also the more that YouTube is actually pushing out my videos. So I love that. But, I've always been kind of secret and in silence, kind of watching all these YouTube videos. And I used to feel guilty about it because you know how you will watch some of these YouTube videos and people would be like, yeah, and I see a whole bunch of you guys viewing my stuff, but you're not engaging or you're not subscribing. Yeah, I was one of those people. I'll raise my hand. And in turn, that has allowed me to grow my own channel. Another thing that I have learned in this YouTube journey is obviously authenticity is critical, right? And being who you are. As you can see, I'm animated. I'm always animated. That is just part of my personality. My girlfriends will tell you, my college buddies will tell you that I am always animated and over the top, right? And so that's what you'll see. That's what you'll find on my channel. That is my actual authentic self. My kids say that I'm animated. My mom says that I'm animated. My brother's like, you're doing too much. But that's just me and kind of who I am. And so I've gotten comfortable with that. I hope you're comfortable with that. And so as you continue to engage on my channel, you're probably going to see me in an animated fashion or one or two or whatever. And then lastly, I will say that settings. I have learned, listen, there are so many settings. Initially when I started doing this whole YouTube thing, I just kind of popped the video and pop it on up there and gone by my business. And then I'm like, wait a minute. There's a lot of stuff that I'm leaving out. And I don't know if that's you, but there's a lot of stuff that I had left out. And so now I'm getting better with making sure that I've got my settings right and I've got the keywords right and I got the tags right and all this kind of stuff. And so again, it's just all part of the learning process. So that's one of the things that I've learned in this YouTube journey. And the fifth thing that I've learned, kind of a bonus thing, is I'm just enjoying the journey, y'all. I am. I feel like a kid. I'm having fun, and I know there'll be some days I'm sure that, I won't be as bubbly or whatever. And so I'll take those. I'm having a good time. I'm learning a lot. And right now, I've just been really trying to take all of the stuff that other fellow YouTubers who are crushing it are doing and incorporating it into my videos. And I know that you guys can do it too. And for those of you who are sitting on the sideline, who are watching these videos of 50 plus, like myself, what are you doing? What are you doing? I need you to get on YouTube. Come on and get on YouTube. I mean, what else do you have to lose? You might as well. And have some fun and learn and evolve and connect and do all of those things. And look, that's what I'm going to be doing for the next 4 years at least, because I need to keep myself busy. So having said all of that, I'm going to go ahead and without further ado, I am going to reveal some of my YouTube analytics. So are you ready to peel back the curtain on these numbers? Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so as you can see here, this is my channel. And again, still new. So as you can see, I've got a banner going on. I've got 63 subscribers. I've got 10 videos. Really excited about that. And as I've been learning, I've also made sure that I had, kind of an in screen or video that plays on the home page, which is nice. So if people come to the page, so now we're going to go into, let's see, analytics. And so we'll go into YouTube Studio. So as you can see here, and I continue to learn, I've had in the last 22 hours, 36 views. I've pretty good impressions and all of that good stuff. And in the last 28 days, I've gained 35 subscribers. So I'm really excited. I'm steadily, chipping away at this thing, one day at a time, trying to really understand the analytics and all of the activity that is going on. I have been, interestingly enough, I have been trying to also leverage the tabs, the community tabs as well, just to post things every now and again. Still not getting quite the engagement that I would like, but that's okay. We're going to keep on going. We're going to keep on doing this thing. So not bad for the last 30 days. I'll continue to learn and continue to grow. And hopefully, over time, we'll see my channel go from, let me see, my goal actually for the month of January was to get 50 subscribers. So as you can see, I surpassed 50 and now it's 63. So the new goal for me this month is by the end of February to have 100 subscribers. So again, I'm just trying to take things slowly, one day at a time, and making sure that, I'm doing all the things that I need to be doing. I engage on posts and things of that nature. So that's been really good as well. And let's see, if we want to just go a little bit deeper into some of the analytics, as you can see, what's interesting is sometimes I'll see people subscribe and then, like, yesterday I had like 72 subscribers and then it dropped down to 63. So I'm not sure if that's Google or YouTube is doing that, or if people are saying, love the content, not my jam, and I'm unsubscribing. That part I can't quite understand, but I'll continue to learn and grow there as well. So, as you can see, some of the top performing pieces of content that I've been showing have been showing up here. One of the things that I've been actually contemplating as well is pivoting the channel just a tad bit. So, still interested in freelancing, entrepreneurship, and all of those kinds of things, because that's what I am. But I'm wondering if people are interested in learning about the kind of business that I actually do. And so, that is something that I posted and asked if there was interest in actually kind of getting behind the scenes on my business, right? If that would be more insightful, if that would be more helpful. If you think that that's more helpful or insightful, I would love to hear from you as well. Like I said, my expertise is around contract, public sector contract proposal writing, as well as government grant writing. And so if that's something that people are interested in learning about or wanting to get behind the scenes to see how I actually do it, then I would love to get your feedback from during this video and post as well. So this is just a little bit about my channel. As you can see, I'm still growing, still doing things. As you can see, out of the people who are coming onto the channel, they're not subscribing. It looks like 78% of people who are coming to the channel are not subscribing. And so I've still got some room to grow. So I'm very excited about that. And as you can see, most of the traffic is being driven by mobile phones. So obviously, because more people are on their phones than are actually on their computer. So this is just a little bit of my channel and how I've had some slow, steady growth. I will say in between the 18th and the 27th, I was I was actually out of the country. And so I can understand why there's no activity between there and here. And then I've come back and I've been engaging a little bit more with the audience. And so again, there are some things here where I think there's some very interesting data that I'm seeing. And so I will continue to learn and grow as I am growing my channel. And so I just wanted to give you a little peek behind what I'm actually doing.
All right. Now that you've seen me kind of peel back some of the layers on what my channel is doing, I want to see what your channel doing. I'm nosy. I want to see what your channel doing. Go down in my comments and let me know that you are a new YouTuber because I want to see what you're doing. And I want to see your analytics. Won't you show me? I've showed you mine. You show me yours. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I look forward to continuing to connect with you. I am Tammy from Make It a Double. And like I always say, you have one life to live. So why not make it a double?